Meaning of e-friend.
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 E-friend. The term e-friend refers to a person who one considers a friend, despite primarily interacting with them online or through electronic means such as social media platforms or messaging apps. These friendships may lack the in-person interactions and physical closeness of traditional friendships, but can still be valuable sources of support, mutual interests, and emotional connection. E-friends have become increasingly common in the digital age, with many people forming meaningful relationships through virtual communities and online forums. While they may not replace face-to-face friendships entirely, e-friends can still provide important social connections and companionship.